Tinybird just launched its OpenTelemetry exporter, and you can use it to capture logs, traces, and metrics into your Tinybird workspace for standardized observability. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 things. First, how to set up a Tinybird workspace to receive OTel data. Second, how to configure the Tinybird OTel exporter using the Tinybird OTel collector distribution. Third, how to capture logs, traces, and metrics into Tinybird data sources. And finally, how to connect Grafana to your Tinybird workspace to visualize your telemetry data. Let's jump in. So the first thing we're going to do is create a Tinybird workspace with data sources to receive logs, traces, and metrics. Fortunately, we can just use Tinybird's OpenTelemetry template. So all you need to do is log in, select an existing workspace or create a new one, and deploy the template. Once that's done, you'll have a cloud workspace with pre-configured data sources ready to receive OpenTelemetry data. Next, we're going to create a collector config file, which includes the Tinybird exporter. You can find a sample config in the template repository, so let's just copy that and paste it in and save the file. Now, as of right now, the Tinybird exporter is not available in the official OpenTelemetry collector contrib repo, but you can use the Tinybird distribution in the meantime. So we just need to download that Docker image from the latest distribution release. Next, we'll create an env file with the variables for our Tinybird workspace host URL and token. Now, if you use the Tinybird OTel template, you'll find an OTel Tinybird token with all the right scopes in your workspace, so you can just copy and paste that into your env file. Then we just need to start the container with the config file and the environment variables. You should now have an active OTel collector that can export telemetry data to your cloud Tinybird workspace. Now we'll use the OTelGen project to generate some synthetic logs. And when we head back to our Tinybird workspace, we'll see those logs in the OTel logs data source. It worked. We can do the same for traces and a few metrics. It's pretty easy, huh? Now let's connect Tinybird to Grafana. So we'll start a local Grafana instance, log in, and add a connection. Note that you can use either the ClickHouse plugin or the Altinity plugin for ClickHouse. I'm going to use the ClickHouse plugin. Then we'll create a data source using the plugin and configure everything. We'll point the server at our Tinybird host on port 443, use HTTP, secure, and append the SQL API path to the URL. Finally, we'll add a header with our token, and note that you need to use a token with the pipe read permissions here. Once that's done, you can save and test, and then create a dashboard. Now, I'm just going to add a simple logs table to show that it works. Use the OTel configuration, and there it is. And you can set up Grafana however you want to visualize your OpenTelemetry data in Tinybird. The Tinybird OpenTelemetry exporter is a great addition for existing Tinybird users who want standardized observability in Tinybird, or for those who are using a different telemetry backend and may be interested in trying Tinybird for its performance and developer experience. To get started, you can check out the Tinybird OpenTelemetry docs and read the guide to connect Grafana to your Tinybird workspace. I've linked both of those below. Happy logging!